Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your bank account. First, open the PayPal app, and at the bottom of the screen, tap on Wallet. Next, tap on Add New, and then you'll see two options, Banks and Debit Card and Credits. Then tap on Banks. Now, on my screen, it says Link a Bank Account, but for some of you, it might say Choose Your Bank. So if you see a list and your bank isn't there, you can search for it. So for example, I'm using Wise as my bank. If it doesn't show up in the list, tap enter your bank details. Now just fill in your bank's sort code and your account number. And once that's done, tap agree and link. And then you'll be taken to a new page. So you can read through the information if you want, then tap submit direct debit instruction. And after that, PayPal will tell you to come back in 2 days. And that's when they'll send a small deposit with a confirmation code to your bank account. And once 2 days have passed, check your bank for that code, and then go back into the PayPal app and enter the code and tap confirm. And then you'll see a message that says your bank account is now confirmed. And that's it. That's how you link your bank account to PayPal. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.